We're here on the pound Aussie, and we have a very nice trading opportunity that's set up. We've got a wedge pattern that you can see in front of you. That wedge pattern has produced a double bottom in the 5 minute and also a 26.18 opportunity, which I've just got involved with, and it's allowed me to play for the normal targets, a 127 fib, and extended targets based on a big head and shoulders that I've been waiting to get in for a week. So this is what the chart looks like. So let's remove everything here. Let's go out and do the high time frame analysis and just talk through this trade. So recently on the dailies we had a move lower, a pullback, a move lower, a pullback, and a move lower. Failed to retest the lows. So this is this right here is a sign to me that we maybe want to stop looking for shorting opportunities. We also failed to put in a low below this. That's not right. Below this level. So nothing on the dailies. Let's go and look at the 240. Here in the 240 we were having basically a new low, outside return, new low, outside return, new low. Failed to retest the highs, came down, failed to retest the lows, and just dribbling upwards now. So not a great deal here for me. On the 60 we can see this head and shoulders though, and head and shoulders in itself is a reversal pattern. So we have the left shoulder, we have the head, we have the right shoulder. The right shoulder did not violate the left shoulder, and then we had a break above, close above, a pullback, another break above, close above, so a new structure high, pullback, then another new structure high. So I haven't been able to get involved in this trade. I would have liked to have been involved here or here, but it just wasn't meant to be. This trade though, I believe we're going higher, and we're going to complete an AB equals CD pattern up to this zone, which just so happens to come in just a little bit higher here. We have a psychological number 17700, and we also are in the middle of this consolidation area just here, so it's a very good place to look at taking targets. So how can we get involved in the trade? Well, this is just consolidation here on the 60, but if we do drop down to the 15, it does then provide us an opportunity. So what we have here is we have a nice bullish run, and what we're doing is we're coiling, giving us a test, 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 test. I need a minimum of 2 tests either side. We've got that. And then just here, look at these candle wicks here, lots and lots of candle wicks indecisions, and then this bullish candle here gave us a higher high, higher close, indicating that we could be going higher. Now all this is happening at the psychological number 17600, and if we do drop down to our lowest time frame, which is the 5 minute, we do have more confirmation. Right here we've double bottomed, you can see that. Then we had a break above, close above, and if I put a fib on, you can see we've come down into that 618 fib. Just here we've tested it, and look at what we've done here. We've got a indecision candle, so a sign here that we're going to see a reversal. And if I just go back out to the 15 minute, we can look for a couple of things here then on our trade. The first thing is I want to take first targets at that 127 fib extension, and then I'll be holding for secondary targets up at the completion of the AB equals CD pattern for that head and shoulders. So let's bring back on the orders. Okay, have I got that fib in the right place? Let's double check that. Nope. There we go. Okay, so I'm front running this by, I'm going to make it 3 pips. So there we go. And secondary targets, if I zoom out, you can see up at the completion of that AB equals CD pattern. I'm actually front running it by 10 pips just to make sure that I basically get out before that psychological number. So very low risk then on this trade, really, in comparison to what the reward is. So we're looking at 54, then we're looking at 88. So a nice opportunity here if we can see this breakout, maybe a pullback, and then a continuation higher. We're back for an update on this trade. I just thought I'd jump on now because we were almost stopped out. And as you can see here, that double bottom, we came down for that 26.18, and we put in a doji, and then we've started to rally now the opposite way. So we came just 2 pips from a stop loss here. Stop loss placement, very important. Obviously, if it's not in the right place, you can get stopped out. Typically an ATR, but on these small double bottoms, between 5 and 10 pips I do. So currently 12 pips up, and we're still in the trade. And this is the final part of the video, and as you can see, I've been stopped out. So we had the 26.18, we had the move. I was thinking that this could be the breakout. We came up to this structure level and reversed, got 21 pips up. Not a great deal I can say about this. It was a good opportunity. We got some of the move. If I just bring over here the orders, look at the 60. We had this beautiful higher high, higher close, and then as you can see, instantly turned and dropped. So out of that, 415 in the end.